This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix Genshin Impact app keep crashing on iPhone. So whenever you launch the Genshin Impact app, the app is automatically closing or not working. Follow these easy solutions to fix this issue. The first solution is close all running apps from your background. If you're running multiple heavy apps on your background, close all of the apps and then try to relaunch the Genshin Impact app and then check the issue. The second solution is offload the app. Go to your iPhone settings, scroll down, tap on General, tap on iPhone storage, tap on Genshin Impact, tap on offload app again, and then reinstall the app from here and then check the issue. The third solution is check your iPhone storage. If your iPhone storage is running out, you can uninstall or offload some unnecessary games and apps to free up your storage. You can also delete unnecessary photos and videos from your iPhone to free up your storage. And then check the issue. The last solution is give a simple restart. Sometimes restarting your iPhone can fix this kind of issues. So restart your iPhone and hope this solution will fix your Genshin Impact app keep crashing issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.